Tan Lee, President of Emotiv Systems. You believe you found a novel way of playing games, is that right?
That's correct. We have a way of being able to experience game in a completely different way by just simply using your thoughts, expressions and emotion to affect and influence the game.
Your colleague Marco behind you appears to be wearing something on his head. What is that?
That's right. What Marco is wearing is a brain-computer interface. What it does is it picks up the electrical activity from Marco's head and provides those as inputs to the game so that he can start to affect the game using simply a very natural and intuitive way.
Well, Marco's going to show us just how his thoughts can affect a game. Marco, down to you.
So in this example, what we're showing is how facial expressions can be used in gameplay. So simply what Marco is doing is scaring the spirits away by growling and making a scary face himself.
And how is the headset doing that?
It's basically picking up electrical activity, which is a result of billions of neurons firing deep inside Marco's brain. And we're measuring that from just the surface of Marco's head. And then we're processing that information using our sophisticated algorithms and then providing those detections as an input to the game itself.
Now we're going to see Marco perform a feat of true mental strength, we hope.
Exactly. Here he's actually fulfilling one of mankind's longest fantasies, which is the ability to affect the environment simply by using the power of his thought alone. And so here the master is showing Marco how it's possible to lift the stone just with mental thought. And Marco is going to learn the art of doing the same.
Here he goes. There it is, beginning to rise. Not quite Luke Skywalker. So what is the potential for this technology for the games industry?
Well, it really has the potential to transform the way that interaction is experienced in games. Games is all about fantasy, and at the moment, just using a controller is limiting in really fulfilling that fantasy. I mean, up to this point in time, graphics has been the main driver for improvement in games, and what we've seen in recent years is interface becoming a really important driver for new ways of being able to experience content, and that's really what's compelling people to go out and purchase games.
And this headset will be available when?
It's going to be available at the end of this year, in time for Christmas, from the Emotiv website as well as through select retailers.
Well, with the power of my mind, I'm going to stop this recording. Tan Lee, Marco, thank you very much.
Thank you.